Adventures.
Hey Adventures, guess what we got today? We got a Happy Whale Seesaw. Bless you. Alright, yesterday we opened this bad boy right here, this little Tyke's water table. And today we're gonna go ahead and open this Seesaw. Excuse me, she just woke up. Look at that morning hair. That morning hair.
My hair.
Your morning hair. Dana's morning hair. What? Dana put on the same clothes from yesterday because she got all wet, and they're gonna get wet as soon as mommy's done finished building this.
Because when we finish this, we're gonna have this on, so then we can put the sand, this, and all this.
Oh my gosh. Yes, and stay tuned guys. We're gonna show you our trampoline and our sandbox in our next video, hopefully. But we do have this growing up Happy Whale Seesaw. It says 2 to 5 years. Sorry, Dana, you're 6. So it's gonna be for Darius and for Mia.
I can put my toilet.
And it is a 360 rotation. And we're gonna go ahead and start building this up.
And we're going. Come on, mommy. You're gonna turn off the mosquito. Toter. You're a mosquito. Huh? You're a mosquito. I'm a mosquito. Yeah. You're gonna turn into a bug.
Okay, Adventures. So this one is for the parents. Everything pretty much was assembled. Like this one already had the screws in it. I only put the screws in this one right now, so this is what it looks like. And then we're actually gonna have to put sand in these. So lucky for us, we're gonna put sand in it, and we have the sandbox. So we're gonna go ahead and use that sand. And we'll show you guys once it's done. We got the sand pretty much filled.
Not that much, but you're supposed to put.
Well, we did a good amount, so it's okay.
And first, we have to put some glue on it.
Some glue?
Yeah.
Huh.
But first, we have to fix it in this structure.
Oh, it's harder than it looks, huh?
Yeah, it looks hard.
The right way. Well, once these go on, they're not coming off.
Daddy. Can you do this?
There's one in my sink. Can you bring it over to the sink? Alright, we needed 2 hands. But I was able to get it in, and then it was easier. And then we do this. Hold on, Mia. Uh-oh. So we do that part. And then comes this. And it says that this, it just goes on by a click. Excuse me, Mia?
And now we're already done.
There you go. Did you guys hear the click?
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty heavy. Yep. And then we just put this piece in. It's going to click too. Excuse me. It'll be more fun once this piece is in. Push it down. Push it down. There we go. Another click. Wow, that looks so cute. Look.
Okay, so, but look at this, kids. It can spin.
Yep, it does the 360.
So there is the down.
What do you guys think?
I think go up. Then go down. Up.
You don't like it? Yeah, we need to fix your hair.
Can I try it?
Alright, let's Dana try. Let's see if it says for 2 to 5 years, but let's see if it'll work with Dana.
I think it will.
Go, Darius. I think you're too big. Darius is not going to be able to push you down, baby. So I think this is perfect. Darius is going to be 4. So I think it's perfect for Darius and Ria.
But it will be perfect if I spin.
I think one of the seesaws that are like the little teeter-totters, use that rock would be good for you, but not this one. But other than that, this one looks pretty nice. And it was super easy to assemble.
I think some of the big ones Dana can use.
Yeah?
Okay.
Alright, let us know what you guys think.
Perfect.
It's perfect?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Thumbs up.
Alright, stop it. Can you see Dana? Alright, let's see. Let's try Dana. I'm gonna push it with my hand. Go, Dana. Oh, well, let's see what Darius said. Ready, Darius?
Let's try with Rio. Let's spin it.
There we go.
That's good. I can.
That looks pretty nice. I think it's gonna take some time for me to get the hang of it. Well, alright, kids, that's gonna wrap up our video.
Everyone, see you next video.
Alright, kids, we'll see you guys in our next video. Hope you guys like the new toy. Bye.
I'm going to eat one.